Hi guys, it's Tiwa Show here, and I said let me do this video here because I want you to see how I am applying this truth I share with you guys and the progress I'm making so far. So let me gist you, and of course, I'm going to be honest. I did not suddenly wake up disciplined, I did not magically become consistent, and I definitely did not arrive here on the bed of roses. What you're seeing now is a result of systems that I put in place. For example, I had postponed the launch of my business for the longest time for good reason, logically, but not truthfully. And the truth is that I felt scared, and I still sometimes do. Sometimes I don't even know what I'm doing. These visions are all so bigger than me that sometimes I'm like, where do I start? This life, everybody will collect. You cannot escape it. It's so easy to inspire people until you actually start living it out. Anyway, I started because, like James Clear says, you don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. That has been painfully true for me. One of the biggest changes for me has been accountability. And I know I have talked about this, but somehow, very weirdly, and maybe because I thought, I had it all figured out, I wasn't really accountable to anybody when it came to my dreams. And that accounted for a lot of delays and setbacks that I've experienced. And let me say this clearly, you cannot be accountable to someone you don't respect or fear disappointing. If accountability has no consequence, it's just conversation. When it's only a friend, it's easy to explain your way out. I did it, so I know. So let's say you are accountable to your friend because you have this set of goals that you want to achieve. If you don't achieve them, it's very easy for you to explain your way out. Just use emotions. Say you were overwhelmed. And then nothing happens. The friend too will say, oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, we'll get this done another day. And you will see that nothing ever happens because it was a bad choice in most cases, anyway. There's no cost, no pressure, no change. But when the accountability is tied to someone you respect or a consequence that actually scares you, showing up becomes easier. Why? Because the system you have put in place is stronger than your feelings. Me, I don't want to suffer any punishment. That's what has been working for me. I'm accountable to my mentor, deliberately accountable to him. And it has been working for me so far. Right now, I'm writing a book, I'm writing a play, I'm building my business consistently. Yes, I have launched, but I'm trying to get testimonials from people. So, blah, blah, blah. I'm sure I'm moving, I'm making progress, I'm showing up even when it's uncomfortable for content creation. Shout out to my fellow content creators out there. It is not beans. Anyway, stop relying on motivation and start relying on structure. Mine was accountability, which I think would work for anybody. But if you don't respect anybody, then find a structure that works for you. Your goal is savings, at least to save a particular amount of money. But you are always spending your money at some point. Save your money with somebody else now. Remove a percentage of the first money that enters your account. Just set systems in place to ensure that you achieve that goal, Sha. This is what I mean when I say intentional living, not just setting goals, but setting systems that make quitting harder than continuing. I'm still learning, still adjusting, still growing. But I wanted to share this so you will know that this is not just theory for me, I'm also living it. And if you're interested in a one on one consultation with me on how to develop the right habits, live intentionally, purposefully, and witness visible progress in your life, contact me via my mail. You can check my bio for those details. Making progress is easy. You just got to really want it. That's all I have for you guys today. It's your girl, TSL Tiwa Show. Mwah.